Creating an account on ETRADE is a straightforward process that allows you to start trading and managing your investments. Follow these steps to set up your account. Step 1. Visit the ETRADE website. Go to the official ETRADE website using your preferred web browser. Look for the Open an Account button on the homepage to begin the registration process. Step 2. Choose account type. Select the type of account you want to open. ETRADE offers various options, including individual brokerage accounts, retirement accounts, and joint accounts. Make sure to choose the one that best suits your needs. Step 3. Fill out personal information. Complete the online application form by providing your personal information. This includes your name, address, date of birth, social security number, and employment details. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Step 4. Verify your identity. ETRADE will require you to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions or uploading identification documents. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Step 5. Fund your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ETRADE link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you are ready to start trading on ETRADE. Enjoy exploring the platform and managing your investments.